Wisdom of Guys, How to Get Rich in 90 Seconds with the Law of Attraction. Let's do this. 1. Know your dream. You must tell the universe what you want and when. Set your timescale. Tell the universe when it's coming. 2. Keep it real. If you don't believe it's possible, then it must be impossible and you get nothing. Live like it's already here. 3. Live the dream. Think it's happened. I'm rich. And focus on it whenever and wherever you can. Enforce it with tapping, affirmations, vision boards, and set reminders to refocus your thoughts. Think rich. 4. Look for the yellow car. We see what we focus on. Look for yellow cars, you'll see yellow cars. Look for opportunities and you will see them. Then take them. 5. Be grateful. Feel the gratitude as if it's already here. Whatever you feel, the universe makes real. To recap, 1. Know your goal, what and when. 2. Keep it real. 3. Live the dream. 4. Look for it. 5. Be grateful. It really is as simple as above, so below. What you think and feel, you get here in the physical world. So get it. This was Wisdom of Guys, How to Get Rich in 90 Seconds with the Law of Attraction. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.